It's time to clean up, amigos. Let's make this fun and put the toys where they belong. Pick up blocks, 1, 2, 3. Clean the room with Cocoli. Vroom, vroom, cars go in the crate. Help each other, you're doing great. Soft toys, teddy bears, dolls on the shelf. Put them nicely by yourself. Yellow, green, and red, so bright. Put the Lego out of sight. Books on shelves, neat and straight. Cocoli thinks you're doing great. Choo-choo train, end of the track. Put it where it belongs back. Teamwork makes the dream work fast. Cleaning together is a blast! Look around, the room is clean, the neatest place you've ever seen. We are done, hooray, hooray! Now it's time to play and create with Cocoli!